If you're a homeowner in Madison Heights, Michigan, and it's time to replace your roof, it's important to approach the project with careful consideration. Roof replacement is a significant investment, and ensuring you get the job done right can enhance the safety, value, and longevity of your home. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of roof replacement in Madison Heights, from initial assessment to the final installation. Assessing the need for roof replacement. The first step in any roof replacement project is to determine whether your roof needs replacing. In Madison Heights, roofs typically last between 20–30 years, depending on the material. Signs that you may need a roof replacement include missing, cracked, or curled shingles, leaky roof or water stains on ceiling, granules from shingles in gutter, sagging roof deck. A professional roofing contractor can provide an in-depth assessment to verify the condition of your roof and help you decide whether a full replacement is necessary or if repairs will suffice. Choosing the right roofing material. Once you've confirmed the need for a new roof, the next decision is choosing the right materials. Common roofing materials in Madison Heights include asphalt shingles, the most popular roofing material due to their affordability and variety of styles and colors. Metal roofing. Known for its durability and energy efficiency, metal roofing is a good choice if you're looking for long-lasting protection. Wood shake. For those seeking a natural, rustic aesthetic, wood shake offers beauty but requires more maintenance. Slate and tile. Ideal for homeowners looking for a high-end, durable option, though it tends to be more expensive. Your choice should align with your budget, aesthetic preferences, and long-term goals for your home. Hiring a professional roofing contractor. While DIY roofing projects might seem appealing, a roof replacement is best left to professionals, especially in Madison Heights, where weather conditions can be unpredictable. Look for a licensed and insured roofing contractor with experience in the local area. Be sure to ask for references, check online reviews, and get multiple quotes before making your decision. An experienced contractor will perform a thorough inspection of your roof and provide a written estimate. Help you select the right materials for your needs. Handle all permits and inspections required by local authorities. Ensure proper installation, including ventilation and insulation. Preparing for roof replacement. Before the crew arrives to begin work on your new roof, there are a few steps you'll need to take to prepare. Clear the area. Move cars, outdoor furniture, and anything else that could get damaged or in the way. Protect your interior. If you're concerned about dust or debris, cover furniture and valuable items inside the home. Stay informed. Keep an open line of communication with your contractor to stay updated on the project timeline and any changes. The roof replacement process. Once everything is prepared, the roof replacement will begin. Here's what you can expect during the process. Removal of old roofing. The roofing team will tear off the old shingles or roofing material, inspect the underlying deck for damage, and replace any compromised areas. Installation of new roof. After ensuring the decking is sound, The new roofing materials are installed, including underlayment, shingles or tiles, flashing, and ridge vents. Final inspection and cleanup. Once the roof is installed, the contractor will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything is secure and up to code. They will also clean up the worksite, removing any debris. Finalizing the roof replacement. After your roof is installed, it's important to schedule a follow-up inspection after a few months to ensure that everything remains intact. Most reputable contractors will offer warranties on their work, providing peace of mind should any issues arise down the line. Conclusion. Roof replacement in Madison Heights can significantly improve the value, aesthetics, and protection of your home. By following this step-by-step guide, you can ensure that your roof replacement project goes smoothly and is completed to the highest standards. Whether you're updating an aging roof or addressing significant damage, choosing the right materials and contractor is key to long-lasting results.